Hello engineers. Today, I'll walk you through an easy way to perform a learning procedure for the Fermator VF7+CAN elevator door models. Follow these simple steps: press the down button once. Then, press the lift button twice. Next, press the down button twice until you reach the learning accessing menu. Press the OK button. Now, press the right button once. You should see the Run option appear. Press the OK button again. The door will now begin its learning sequence. Remember to manually lift the cam lock pull up at the beginning of the door's movement. I hope these instructions were helpful.